Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This video is gonna be another section of my Dressing Up to K-pop series, and I will be doing Blackpink's Do 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 song. So this episode is gonna be a little different from how I usually do it. Normally I just style outfits based on my perception of the song or the music video, instead of just creating random outfits that I think would go with the song. This time I'm gonna be trying to pick 2 or more different sets of outfits, and I try to style each one to a certain member so it's more cohesive kind of. Let me know in the comments below if you like this idea better than how I normally do it, and also let me know if I should keep doing this as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, share. Don't forget to watch my other videos as well, and my giveaway for Runway is still going on, so please check that out. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.